Okay, for number 6, it says find the base of a triangle with a height of 9 meters if the area is 45 square meters. Now, we're going to have a triangle here, and we're going to have the base that we don't know. We're going to have the height, which is going to be 9 meters, and then the area inside is going to be 45 square meters. So, of course, we don't have to use this slanted line at all. Now, one of the things that a lot of students are doing is they're guessing, well, 9 times 5 is 45, but that's not going to be the correct answer, and here is going to be why. There are two things we can do. We can either use the formula, or we can think of it as an actual square. So, for this, if we use the formula, area equals base times height divided by 2, or they can use formula area equals 1/2 base times height. So once again, a fraction is a division problem, so they're both the same problem. So we are given the area, which is 45. So whichever way they're doing it, they can put the 45 in, we can put the 2 in there, and we put the half in there. And we're given, for this one, we're given the height, which is 9. So it's going to be something times 9. So something times 9 that we're going to have for this one right here. So we're going to think for a second. 45 is what number divided by 2? Or 45 is half of what number? So we can tell that 45 is half of 90. Okay? So 90 divided by 2 is 45. So therefore, that means the number up here above the 2 has to equal 90, and this number here has to equal 90, which means that the only number that could fit in there would be 10. So therefore, our base equals 10, and that's going to be meters. Okay? So our base is going to equal 10 meters. Now the other thing we can do, since we have this triangle, and we know that it has 45 inside, and we know that it has a height of 9. So what we could do is, since we don't know what the base is, we could actually make it into a square. This would be 45 also, which makes our whole area 90. And so areas for squares and rectangles are pretty easy. So the area for this rectangle, 9 times what is 90? 9 times 10 is 90. So the base is going to be 10. And then, of course, it doesn't make a difference if we get rid of this. We haven't changed the actual size of the base. It's still 10 long. So that's going to be 10 for that answer.